I'm about to review all the hot new research from last week and the time it takes to microwave a Hot Pocket. This is Hot Pocket Research. A new study found that female mice tended to binge drink within the first 30 minutes of being offered alcohol when they were in a high estrogen phase of their cycle as compared to other phases. A rodent pregame, if you will. Estrogen appears to regulate the part of the brain that promotes alcohol drinking, and these findings may help to explain differences in human male and female binge drinking behaviors. I have no word on whether the mice were of legal drinking age, or what that would even be. Speaking of not remembering things the next day, another new study conducted in mice found that the size of our pupils during sleep can indicate what type of memories are being replayed and stored in our brains. Scientists used little eye tracking cameras and found that new memories were being replayed and stored when the pupils were contracted, while the same was true for older memories when the pupils were dilated. Having these two separate processes helps prevent catastrophic forgetting, where the formation of a new memory wipes out an older memory, like how the lyrics to Espresso wiped out my memory of the age 8. One thing none of us have apparently forgotten, though, is how scary snakes are. Primates, like humans, have historically been wired to detect when a snake is present, which isn't that surprising. Even today, snakes kill over 60,000 people a year. A Japanese researcher showed pictures of snakes, salamanders, and salamanders with snake scales to monkeys who had never seen snakes or salamanders before. In the experiment, monkeys were able to point out the snakes and the salamanders in snake scales much faster than the salamanders, which may be evidence that we use snake scales as an instinctual threat identifier. Maybe we're just scared of snake scales. In other fear-related news from Japan, a team of Japanese researchers have developed a new method for generating robotic facial movements. Through mathematical formulations, the terrifying child android, a feto, can now more realistically appear excited or sleepy, even yawning. Perfect for lulling you into a false sense of security. Oh, your Hot Pocket is done. See you next week.